The tea is hot. Good morning, everybody. I think that today we need a little positivity. I hate myself just as much as you do. Just kidding, I love myself. I just wanted to start this series on my channel because I feel like the beauty world is very dark. It's a very sad, emotional, angry. Let's just, you know, let's just call it what it is. It's angry. Everyone's always so angry. I wanted to start this section of my channel and bring out a little bit of positivity. This week I have a couple of things that I want to talk about that I think are so happy. And you can disagree, but I just genuinely ask that we keep this a very happy, a very positive place. I will probably be deleting any comments that are angry or that don't agree, not because I don't think that those are valid like feelings, but I just don't think that this is the place for it. I'm really trying to just have a little bit of positivity in my life. Let's get into the positivity. I should tuck in my shirt. Hi, Gucci. Oh, don't worry, it's just my Gucci belt. I literally deserved to choke right then. Okay, let's get back to what I was saying. Tea number one. This is honestly probably one of the best things I've heard in a really long time. Threadbanger died.
I died for just a little bit of time.
And his wife saved him.
I suffered a massive heart attack, one that left me dead for a little bit until Corinne over here saved my life, right?
Yes, I guess so, technically.
Technically.
Like he died and then she did what she needed to do in the time that like she was fast enough and responsive enough that she called 911 and like started chest compressions because she took like a life-saving heart thing, first aid. I don't know. She literally saved his life. He was like in the ICU for a month or two.
And so I had to learn pretty much how to walk again and all motor skills, use motor skills and kind of eating and getting back on track, which was crazy.
And he just got home and oh, if I told you that I didn't ugly cry when I watched the video, I'd be the biggest damn liar.
Because at first we really didn't know if he was gonna make it. It's true.
I know. It's crazy. But we did. We're here. I'm here.
I ugly cried. It was so heartwarming. Like, I'm really, really happy that he survived the way he did. Like, it really makes me happy. So that is the positivity number one. And what could be more positive than surviving dying? Wait a minute. What? What does that mean? Who knows? The second thing that I want to talk about is Eugenia, who disappeared from the community about a little while ago. Everyone thought she died. She didn't. She went to rehab.
I was actually in a rehab program for a while.
She's always been like the light, you know. She's always been so happy, but she literally looks so healthy. Recovering from an eating disorder is rough. and I give her all of the support. If you just go follow her on Twitter or go over to her YouTube channel and just send some love, because she deserves it, and she is literally the cutest little light of, she's just so bubbly and happy and wonderful.
You're never alone in that, and that doesn't define you. There's, at least I think there's always a lot more to people than just difficult things that they go through.
I'm just so very excited for her that she went through the rehab and is on the road to recovery. That's so amazing. So cheers to you, Eugenia. Positivity. So let's dive into the beauty community, because I know that those two communities aren't quite in the beauty community. I mean, the beauty community is... Okay, so... oh, this is gonna be drama. This isn't drama, this is positive. Positivity! Tarte just launched a 50 shade, what is it, face tape? Let me look. Face tape foundation in 50 shades. And I know that a lot of people are gonna be thinking, oh, too little, too late, you already messed up. But like, listen. Listen, Linda. What happened when Tarte launched Shape Tape Foundation at the beginning, and the response, and then what happened in brands following that whole controversy was awesome. Like, it literally changed so many things, because at that point everyone just said, no, we're not taking it anymore. You launch an inclusive foundation line or don't launch. And it happened. There's so many shades to choose from, which is so amazing, because we definitely need a lot more representation in foundation, and I think it is happening. And I just think that that just shows when people speak up, and when influencers and the community all speaks up and joins together and says, we don't like this. It's so wonderful when brands listen and they follow through and they do better. So here's to Tarte. Here is to Tarte. Here is to Shape Face. Shoot, it's such a weird. Here's to Face Tape, and here is to inclusivity in the beauty community, whether it be powder, foundation, lip wear, everything. Here, drink to that. Okay, this one's gonna be like really dumb. But I am honestly so happy for Tana Mongeau. Tana Paul, sorry. I'm really happy for Tana Paul Mongeau. Do you think she'll change her name? Doubt it. So maybe, because she hates her name. I'll just call her Tana Paul. She changed her name on social to Tana Paul. Anyway, I'm really proud of Tana, because she got banned from, she and Jake got banned from VidCon, then the whole TanaCon thing happened, but this last year she was a featured creator at VidCon, and there was no drama. Jake showed up, and there was no drama, no mobs, it just went well. Like, I'm just really proud of her for growing. And another thing, unsolicited cares from me. I think that we put a little bit too much on influencers. Like, I know they have a following, and I know, girl, she's 21. Tana Mongeau, throughout her entire career, has been literally a teenager, and she's gone through a lot. So, I mean, she kind of does it. She doesn't do it to herself. We put too much pressure on these people. Chill. Drink some tea and shut up. Oh, I got mentioned in a story. Alright, I always want to make sure that I share a little positivity from my life. So I just want to tell you guys that my 9-month-old daughter is lifting herself up. And she is literally about to walk any second now. That is the positivity in my life. So if you guys could please share something awesome that happened, share if I should talk about something in the next video, and please share something great that's going on in your life. If you share a little bit of gratitude, tons of amazingness will return to you. So grab a cup of tea and make it positive. Thanks for watching and stay happy. Bye guys. Do I have to finish this whole thing? I need coffee.